pipes, cold blizzard winds storming in. The heat is on, the oil's burning. We're roasting lamb in the oven, and with your love I'll keep on going, even when the sun won't shine. So come over here to me. Won't you keep me warm tonight? Hold me tight and stay with me. As long as we have each other, we can make our way through the trials, the troubles, and the hardest of days. There's no doubt these blizzard winds ain't gonna keep us down. Now schools all around are closed today. No need to worry, baby, we can sleep in late. With cups of coffee, we're looking out the window panes. We see these cold blizzard winds are still raging. When the storm front finally breaks, we will be here, ready for a brighter day. Until then, we'll be home safe, and I don't mind the waiting, 'cause you're here with me. So baby, please hold me tight and stay